Hey guys, Brian with Ball Guy Sci, and this is a continuation of the series on ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up, and this one is aimed at parents. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and launch this app. I paid for it for the year. I just want to share this with you. I have a question that I typed out and copied and pasted for parents. So I am a middle school teacher at heart. I've been there most of my life, even though now my life, my career, and now I travel around. This one just says, how can parents support students as they navigate the social pressures of middle school? List 10 ways. Now, as a parent, right? Like I know so many teachers have their own kids. Open and honest conversations. If some of the stuff is going to be just what you thought it would be, and then you might get an idea. And that's the point here is you can plug this question and copy it, paste it over and over and over, and give you a list of maybe by the time you're done 20, 30, 40 different ways that you can try. I mean, middle school kids are going through so much, but maybe as a parent, you could find a way to connect with them. To be honest, if you are a teacher of middle school students, you want to look at this from a parent because you are partnering with parents to develop their child into the adult that they envision for them and are empowering them to become. But you can also use this as an example of sharing this thing with kids. These are the things that we can do. These are the things we can talk about. And so, yes, the content specialty things are good, but what if we look at the human aspect of this? I'm just going to say list 10 fears. You see me, I keep doing that, but that's just to keep it a list. Will usually give you a shorter answer thing there than sometimes it'll give you a whole explanation. But maybe this idea of just feats, fears, hopefully, yeah, fear, there we go, of not providing enough financial resources. So now you start to think about this from the lens of parents. What about parents and their fears coming into a parent teacher conference or, getting the report card or getting an email? What are ways that we can write emails? This thing is so powerful. You just have to think of it in terms of making it serve you by giving it the input that gives you the output that actually is helpful. And so let's not be afraid of this thing. Let's lead forward and use it to make us better all across the board in our profession. And I hope that helps you kick some class with AI and ChatGPT. I would love to hear your ideas down in the comments and how you can use this thing to just blow up your professional life and make it so much better across the board in every way. So until next time, I'll catch you guys. See ya.